Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be actually modifying this motor, 212cc motor for my go-kart. So I will actually be able to get an exhaust for it and also an air filter. Okay, so we just figured out what it might be causing the motor to eat the belt.
Oh, the belt. So we got the belt just flew off. We tore up the belt. It's still hot.
The belt, whenever you ride it, whenever you drive it for a long time, the belt just snaps and then you can't drive it anymore. That might be cause of this thing right here. The guard's supposed to snap on covering this. However, we don't use that. And so this thing, it sticks out once we put this over it. The belt comes over and wraps around it and it rubs up against this going that fast. And then it ends up wearing it out and cutting it. So we're planning on cutting this off, which should quit eating the belts up completely, which means that we'll be able to ride it longer instead of breaking the belt. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to experiment with my motorized bicycle's exhaust and see if it actually fit onto the Predator engine. Still icy. And here's my bicycle. It's actually stored in our shed for right now. So I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's snowing right now. But I don't care that it is. I'm still gonna work on this motor. First, I gotta start it up because, I want to hear it. And I just like the sound of it in stock. So, gonna start it up. I wonder how it's gonna be whenever I start it up in the freezing cold. Turn on the gas. Might be too cold. Let it warm up. Okay, so that's where this is mounted on, so you could actually get the exhaust off easily. Hey guys, so y'all probably already knew this, but it wasn't gonna fit anyway. I just wanted to see if they would, but I knew it wouldn't fit. It wouldn't even work out, because look, you have to point straight down or point straight up, and that ain't gonna work. It needs to be more like that way. It finally came in. After 2 long weeks, it finally came in. And I hope that all the parts are in here, because it looks like it's a very small box. So I hope everything's fit in here. So now let's open her up. What's this? Another box. I'm telling you, this is a small package. Okay, so after I got it open, after I got the tape cut, I'm starting to open it now. Look at that. That's the exhaust muffler. Looks awesome. That is a big air filter. Some parts with the spark plug. Another box. What's in this one? All of the accessories. The carburetor. Time to get this project started. So I'm going to start. So that means that this exhaust is done. Now I'm wondering if I should go ahead and put some Loctite on the spools right here and the nuts right here. That's ridiculous. Look at that. That's crazy. So long, so huge. I think this is mainly meant for like mini bikes, but so I'm going ahead and changing out the move on to the carburetor. Now I'm going to have to figure out where to put this thing. Now, I do know that the air filter goes on like right here, and then the pipe goes right here. This should be the clutch, if I'm not mistaken. On and off. Yeah, okay, I think I got this. So I know that this little doohickey right here gets tightened into this screw right here. Tell me in the comments, what is this thing supposed to be? It goes on the carburetor, but is it supposed to be like the clutch or something? Is it supposed to, I don't know. Just tell me in the comments and correct me. In there. Comes straight off. There's a little bit of liquid in there. I don't know if it's water or gasoline. Now there's that hole. Okay, so try 10 millimeter. Yeah, let's see if it fits. Perfect. This is the old breather right here, and we're gonna put a new carburetor on it, so it's gonna look a whole lot meaner. So that's the this old gasket. Looks really good. See, this is a replacement right here. See where it's the same. This one is. So you have a little bit of spillage of gas over here, so I'm going to take the carburetor off. So I'm going to take this metal wiring right there, and then this little tiny hook that you have to be careful, like that. Make sure it's bent back to normal. And now the carburetor should fall right off like that. That's where it is. And then the new carburetor, which you can see, totally two different looks. This one's more gold looking than that. And which side was that on? Okay, so I got the new gasket to put on top of this carburetor right here, and there we go. It should fit like that. You're trying to fix the kill switch. Ow. So that's what the motor looks like. We're gonna have to get a little mini air filter to go to here because this is a Hemi motor and this kit wasn't made for Hemi motors, but so we gotta buy that separately. Make sure we got enough gas in here. Engine. It's just about full. It backfired. It's hot. Yeah. That won't work. But no, the if I'm not mistaken, this exhaust is supposed to give it more torque while that air filter on the carburetor is supposed to give it more power, which in return should do it. Now we're going to see now we're going to see what it sounds like. Oh my goodness. You burned a hole in my gloves. Oh my goodness.
Okay. Yeah, that'll. I guess they'll make them good.
Yeah, they had gas on them. Now we want to see what it sounds like without the muffler on. It should be really loud, but we gotta wait until it actually cools down. That's gonna work. It's actually decently sized length, so it might take a little while.
So yeah, you should.
And you just dropped it. Yeah, I might not want to touch it with my feet. Okay. Yeah, it's backfiring even more now. Well, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Please subscribe and like. I'll see y'all in the next video.